These s'mores cookie bars offer up the perfect bite of crispy crushed cookies, dark chocolate, and homemade marshmallow in every single bite. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today on the episode of the Scran that you're watching, I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious s'mores bars. They're so easy to make, let's jump into it. Add the butter, sugar, salt, and brown sugar into a large mixing bowl and use an electric hand mixer to cream these together for about 2 minutes. Then you want to scrape down the bowl and add the egg yolk, vanilla extract, and my favorite ingredient in these, orange zest. It's optional, but I highly recommend it. Mix all of those together until they're well combined. Scrape down the bowl again and add the flour, baking powder, and cinnamon, and use a spatula to mix until the dough forms. Next, you're going to add about 100 grams, 1 cup of the chopped graham crackers. If you can't find these, you can pretty much use any vanilla cookie you want. And you're also going to add 1 cup or 200 grams of the chopped chocolate and mix it in. Now on screen you can see the chopped graham crackers are chopped very large. You want to chop them a lot smaller than what you see on screen, otherwise it's going to get really difficult to spread this mixture at the bottom of your cake tin. Once you've spread it out nice and evenly, you're going to pour in your marshmallow fluff on top and spread it out evenly. This stuff is so great. I actually made my own recipe. It's on my website, scran.com, but you can use store-bought marshmallow fluff. What you can't use is like regular marshmallows. They'll just melt into the cookie layer and it's just gonna turn into a big mess. Finish this by adding little pieces of remaining cookie dough around, along with the remaining graham crackers and dark chocolate. You're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's finished baking, allow it to cool to room temperature, then chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to firm up, because it's going to make slicing this up using a large knife a lot easier. These are the ultimate summer treat, and you can grab the recipe on my website. Actually, by the way, I realize right now, as of when this video goes up, it is not summer in America. It's actually, we're headed into fall. But these are, they're just great. Trust me, especially with the addition of orange zest and cinnamon powder. So good. Recipe is on my website, scran.com, along with the marshmallow frosting recipe that I'm using in this recipe. All of it is on the scran.com. There's tips and tricks there for this recipe and the frosting. Check them out. Most of the questions will be answered. If they're not, leave them in the comments section. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye!